The Statue of Liberty is a symbol of freedom. Standing proudly in New York Harbor, she has welcomed millions of immigrants arriving by sea, offering them hope and the promise of a new beginning. Her presence is a powerful reminder of the ideals upon which the United States was founded: liberty, democracy, and opportunity for all. The statue's full name is Liberty Enlightening the World, and she has indeed been a beacon of light for people around the globe. She stands tall in New York Harbor, a majestic figure that can be seen from miles away. The statue's location on Liberty Island, formerly known as Bedloes Island, was chosen for its strategic position at the entrance to New York City, one of the busiest ports in the world. This placement ensures that she is one of the first sites to greet incoming ships, symbolizing the open arms of the United States. She was a gift from France to the United States, a gesture of friendship and mutual respect between the two nations. The idea for the statue was proposed by French historian Édouard René de La Boulaye, who wanted to commemorate the centennial of the American Declaration of Independence and celebrate the enduring alliance between France and the United States. The French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi was commissioned to design the statue, and Gustave Eiffel, the engineer behind the Eiffel Tower, contributed to its internal structure. The statue was a symbol of the friendship between the two countries. It represented shared values and aspirations, and it was intended to inspire future generations to uphold the principles of liberty and justice. The collaboration between French and American artisans and engineers was a testament to the strong bond between the two nations. The Statue of Liberty was dedicated on October 28, 1886. The dedication ceremony was a grand event attended by thousands of people, including dignitaries from both France and the United States. President Grover Cleveland presided over the ceremony, and his speech highlighted the significance of the statue as a symbol of freedom and democracy. It was a day of celebration. Fireworks lit up the sky, and the sound of cheers and applause filled the air. The dedication marked the culmination of years of planning, fundraising, and construction, and it was a moment of pride for both nations. The statue quickly became an iconic symbol of America, representing the country's ideals and aspirations. People came from all over to see the statue. Immigrants arriving in the United States were often greeted by the sight of the Statue of Liberty, and for many, it was their first glimpse of their new home. The statue became a symbol of hope and opportunity, embodying the dreams of those seeking a better life in America. Over the years, millions of people have visited the statue, drawn by its powerful message and historical significance. It was a symbol of hope for a better future. The statue's torch, held high in her right hand, represents enlightenment and the path to freedom. Her left hand holds a tablet inscribed with the date of the American Declaration of Independence, July 4, 1776. The broken chains at her feet symbolize the end of oppression and the triumph of liberty. For many, the Statue of Liberty is a reminder that no matter how difficult the journey, the promise of freedom and a better life is always within reach. The statue is made of copper. Over time, the copper has oxidized, giving the statue its distinctive green color. The statue's construction was a remarkable engineering feat, involving the assembly of hundreds of copper sheets over a steel framework. The statue's torch and crown are particularly intricate, with the crown featuring 7 rays representing the 7 continents and 7 seas, symbolizing universal liberty. It stands over 300 feet tall. From the base to the tip of the torch, the statue measures 305 feet and 6 inches. This impressive height makes the Statue of Liberty one of the tallest statues in the world. Her commanding presence is a testament to the vision and craftsmanship of those who designed and built her. It is a popular tourist destination. Each year, millions of people from around the world visit Liberty Island to see the statue up close. Visitors can take a ferry to the island, explore the museum, and even climb to the crown for a breathtaking view of New York Harbor. The statue continues to inspire awe and admiration, serving as a powerful reminder of the enduring values of freedom and democracy. Millions of people visit the Statue of Liberty every year. The statue remains a symbol of hope and freedom, attracting visitors from all corners of the globe. As they stand in her shadow, they are reminded of the enduring promise of liberty and the importance of preserving the values that the statue represents. The Statue of Liberty continues to stand as a beacon of hope, lighting the way for future generations. Many people don't know that the Statue of Liberty has a secret. Hidden inside the statue is a small chamber. This chamber is located in the crown of the statue. The chamber is not easy to get to. It is reached by a narrow staircase. The staircase is more than 150 years old. It is not open to the public. The chamber in the Statue of Liberty's crown is small and cramped. It is not very well lit. There are windows in the chamber, but they are small. Despite its size, the chamber is an important part of the statue's history. It was used by workers who maintained the statue. The chamber contains some of the statue's original construction materials. The chamber in the Statue of Liberty's crown has been closed to the public for many years. There are several reasons for this. One reason is safety. The staircase is narrow and steep. It is not safe for large groups of people. Another reason is preservation. The chamber is very old. It is important to protect it from damage. The presence of too many people could damage the chamber. Section 5. Preserving History. The importance of protection. The Statue of Liberty is a national treasure, and, it's really important to preserve it for future generations. That's why the chamber in the crown is closed to the public. By closing the chamber, we can help to ensure that it remains in good condition. This way, we can continue to learn from it and appreciate its rich history. Section 6. Whispers of the Past, Rumors and Legends. Over the years, there have been many rumors about the chamber in the Statue of Liberty's crown. Some people believe that it contains hidden treasures. Others believe that it was used for secret meetings. While these rumors are interesting, there is no evidence to support them. The chamber is simply a small, cramped space that was used by workers. Section 7. Will we ever know? The future of the chamber. The Statue of Liberty, an emblem of freedom and democracy, has always been a beacon of hope for millions. But within this iconic monument lies a lesser-known feature: the chamber in the crown. This chamber, shrouded in mystery, has piqued the curiosity of many. It is unclear if the chamber in the Statue of Liberty's crown will ever be open to the public. The chamber, once accessible, has been closed for decades due to safety concerns. Many wonder if it will ever be possible to experience the view from this unique vantage point again. It would require significant renovations to make it safe. The structural integrity of the chamber and the narrow staircase leading up to it pose challenges. Engineers and architects would need to undertake extensive work to ensure that it meets modern safety standards. It would also be expensive to maintain. The cost of such renovations and ongoing maintenance would be substantial. Funding would need to be secured, and the project would require careful planning and execution. However, even if the chamber remains closed, it will always be a part of the statue's mystique. The allure of the unknown adds to the statue's charm, making it even more intriguing to visitors and historians alike. It is a reminder that even the most iconic landmarks can have hidden secrets. The Statue of Liberty, with its rich history and symbolic significance, continues to captivate the imagination. Whether or not the chamber is ever reopened, it remains a testament to the enduring mystery and wonder of this monumental symbol of freedom. Section 8. The Statue of Liberty, a symbol of hope and freedom. The Statue of Liberty is more than just a statue. It is a symbol of hope and freedom. It is a reminder of the values that our country was founded on. The statue has welcomed millions of immigrants to our shores. It has stood as a beacon of hope during times of war and peace. Section 9. Visiting Lady Liberty, an unforgettable experience. If you ever have the chance to visit New York City, be sure to take a trip to Liberty Island and see the Statue of Liberty. This iconic monument, a symbol of freedom and democracy, stands tall and proud, welcoming visitors from all over the world. The journey to Liberty Island itself is an adventure, as you board a ferry and sail across the waters with the magnificent skyline of New York City in the background. As you approach the island, the Statue of Liberty grows larger and more imposing, and you can't help but feel a sense of awe. Even though you can't go inside the hidden chamber, it is still an amazing experience. The statue's sheer size and the intricate details of its design are breathtaking. Standing at the base, looking up at Lady Liberty, you can truly appreciate the craftsmanship and the vision that went into creating this masterpiece. Inside the museum, you can learn about the statue's history and significance. The exhibits are fascinating, offering insights into the statue's construction, the challenges faced during its assembly, and the cultural impact it has had over the years. You can see original artifacts, photographs, and documents that tell the story of how the Statue of Liberty came to be. It's a journey through time, giving you a deeper understanding of this global icon. You can even take a ferry ride past the statue. The view from the water is spectacular, offering a different perspective of Lady Liberty. As the ferry glides by, you can capture stunning photos and create lasting memories. The experience of seeing the statue from various angles, both up close and from a distance, adds to the overall sense of wonder and admiration. As the day comes to an end, the sight of the Statue of Liberty against the backdrop of a setting sun is truly magical. The warm hues of the sunset cast a golden glow on the statue, creating a picture-perfect moment. Tourists wave goodbye from the ferry, cherishing the memories of their visit. It is an experience you will never forget, a visit that leaves a lasting impression and a deeper appreciation for this symbol of freedom and hope.